Hey everyone, let's dive into a topic that's crucial for anyone looking to secure their financial future. Investment or savings? Which is the better path to maximizing your money? First off, let's talk about savings. Everyone needs a safety net, and that's what your savings account is for. It's reliable, it's secure, and it's easily accessible. But here's the catch. The interest rates on savings accounts these days, they're pretty low, which means your money isn't working as hard as it could be. Now flip over to investments. When I say investments, think stocks, bonds, real estate, even cryptocurrencies. Investments can give you higher returns compared to savings, but remember, with higher returns comes higher risk. You could make money or you could lose it. But here's where it gets interesting. By investing, you're giving your money the chance to grow exponentially through the power of compounding returns. Imagine this. Even a small percentage increase in your investment can turn into a significant amount over time, way more than what a savings account could offer. So, should you throw all your money into investments? Hold up, it's not that simple. A smart financial strategy involves balance. I recommend starting with building an emergency fund in a savings account. Aim for about 3 to 6 months of living expenses. Once you've got that cushion, then you can start thinking about investments. And remember, diversification is key. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments across different assets. This way, if one investment goes down, it won't take everything else with it. To wrap it up, both saving and investing are essential. Savings offer security and liquidity. Investments provide the potential for substantial growth. By balancing the two, you can protect your financial base while giving yourself the opportunity to maximize your money. Thanks for tuning in. Make sure to hit that subscribe button if you found this helpful, and let me know in the comments how you're planning to balance your savings and investments. Until next time, keep making smart financial choices.